Now, this is a really quick video on how to run accessories. So I have a camera and an FM transmitter without using a cigarette lighter socket. So I have my camera, FM transmitter, all connected through USBs into a 10,000 milliamp power bank, and I don't use that little port because this particular car, it will, even when the car is off and the battery's out, it will keep sending power to this port, and so the car can actually, you'll be stranded basically if you forgot to take it out. And so I could be able to run this for about a week using both of these accessories for an hour a day. So there's absolutely loads of runtime out of this 10,000 milliamp power bank. Also, this FM transmitter, it's a Hoco. That's this particular one, if you can't find, because they're quite hard to find with the USB attachment at the end. So that is how I run both of these, a camera and an FM transmitter without using the cigarette lighter socket, and it works perfectly.